Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT token into your Metamask using your Binance account. So the first thing you have to do is you have already your Binance open. As you can see, I have my Metamask wallet already added as an extension real quick and it's up in here. Let's go ahead and go into wallet and go into fiat and spot. So once we are here, what you have to do is you have to filter the token that you want to be sending. In our case it would be the USDT, the FIFA US. So as you can see, it's already filtered. So what I want to do is to focus into the action section, and what I want to do is select the option that says withdraw. So once again it's going to be asking us the coin that you want to be sending, and now it's going to be asking for us an address and a network, and for that we need to go back into the MetaMask wallet. So that's the reason why I have added this as extension, so we don't have to exit the top where we have to Binance website. Once we are here, what you have to do is select the network. It has to be exactly the same network into Binance. So if I select Ether, I'm going to copy this address into my clipboard and I'm going to paste it right in here. And the network, again, it must be Ethereum. Just in case that you have another one, just go ahead and use it, but I strongly recommend you guys to use exactly the same address network so you can't lose your money. So this is the minimal amount, 47 USDT. I'm going to pay, and just go ahead and select the option that says withdraw. Now if you go back into your MetaMask wallet, you are going to see that the tokens are not available in here. But just in case that you don't see the USDT added in your assets, what you guys want to do is scroll down and select the option that says import tokens. So let's go ahead and select USDT. As you can see, here is the first one, the first result. So I'm going to select the first one. We are going to token and import token. So if I go back into my assets, I might see that my USDT is now added into my MetaMask wallet. So you should see that your money is now available into your account. But just in case if you don't see it, just make sure you go into the transaction history and you will see the status of your transaction has already been completed, because sometimes it might take minutes, hours, or even days to make the transaction. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.